So really, I should have started some videos on this earlier, but we have been so busy, it's just crunch time in here. We've got Johnny Boy's truck. Now we're going to be doing something a little bit interesting on this. You can tell right away it's odd because it has a 6-cylinder. We're not stuffing an LS or a diesel in there. He's going to be going with a stick shift also, which is kind of rare these days. And this is going to be what I kind of call a Cheech and Chong juxtaposition truck. So on the outside, it's actually going to have the fenders painted in the faded paint. The cab's going to be primer. The bed's going to be primer. We're actually putting a brand new bed on this, but we're going to primer it and put fog coat on there and make it look like it's just a regular old daily driving truck that we're working on, that we're going to get finished one of these days. But it's actually going to be all done. We're going to plush out the interior and we're going to make it all super quiet. Nice stereo, etc., etc. Some cool upholstery we got coming for that. And on the interior of our engine bay, we're going to plush it out too. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned.